The term 5D refers to the fifth dimension, which in metaphysical and spiritual contexts represents a higher state of consciousness or existence beyond the physical, three-dimensional world we experience daily. While we live in a 3D world based on ego, the 5D signifies a more expanded, unified, and harmonious state of being associated with high consciousness. The 5D state is described as one where individuals transcend ego, fear, and separation, embracing love, unity, and peace. It's about raising your frequency and vibration to connect with higher aspects of yourself and the universe. Non-duality in 5D, there is no sense of separation between individuals or between people and the world around them. This means that in the fifth dimension, people experience a deep sense of interconnectedness and oneness. Spiritual awakening. As humanity shifts to 5D, it's believed that more people will awaken spiritually, experiencing a profound shift in their understanding of reality and their purpose on Earth. The concept is often framed as a shift or ascension in consciousness that allows humanity to move away from materialism, division, and suffering and toward a more loving, compassionate, and conscious way of living. The Age of Aquarius. The Age of Aquarius is a term from astrology that refers to a period in time when the sun is positioned in the zodiac sign of Aquarius during the spring equinox. This astrological age is believed to follow the age of Pisces, and each age lasts roughly 2,150 years, based on the slow movement of the Earth's axis, a phenomenon known as the precession of the equinoxes. Spiritual and social transformation. The Age of Aquarius is often seen as a time of profound change. It's believed that humanity will experience a shift towards greater equality, interconnectedness, and awareness. There is a focus on the collective good, scientific progress, and spiritual awakening. Transition from the Age of Pisces. The Age of Pisces, the previous age, is often associated with themes of religion, belief systems, and individual spirituality. During the Age of Aquarius, we will move away from dogma and hierarchical institutions and move toward more egalitarian, inclusive, and innovative structures. The New Earth.